Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to update date and time settings on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find general management, and it's over here guys, so just tap on it. And since we want to change the date and time, we can click on the date and time settings right here. Then we can choose either we want to set automatic date and time, or we can also set the date and time manually. And for me, I'm just going to select automatic date and time, so I'm going to click on this button. Then we can also choose the format, and for me I'm going to select this format, this 24-hour format. So just click on this button if you want to use the format. Okay guys, and that's how we can update date and time settings on Android. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.